How to get an Ooma phone number. A simple guide. Have you ever wished you could ditch your landline and still enjoy crystal clear phone calls? Or perhaps you're looking for a more affordable phone service option. If so, then Ooma might be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of getting an Ooma phone number and setting up your new service. Imagine having a reliable phone system that not only provides excellent call quality but also offers a range of features like voicemail, call forwarding, and even call recording, all without the hefty monthly fees of traditional phone services. That's the promise of Ooma. Step 1. Choosing the right Ooma plan. The first step in your Ooma journey is to select the plan that best suits your needs. Ooma offers a variety of options, including Ooma Office, designed for businesses. This plan provides advanced features like call center capabilities and integration with popular business apps. Ooma Tello, a popular choice for residential users. The Tello offers a simple setup and a range of features at an affordable price. Ooma Mobile. If you're looking to replace your traditional mobile phone, Ooma Mobile provides a VoIP-based solution with unlimited talk, text, and data. Step 2. Setting up your Ooma equipment. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll need to set up your Ooma equipment. This typically involves connecting the Ooma base station to your internet router and plugging in your phone. The setup process is straightforward and can be completed in a few minutes. Step 3. Activating your Ooma number. After setting up your equipment, you'll need to activate your Ooma phone number. This can usually be done online or through the Ooma app. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your address and emergency contact details. Step 4. Porting your existing number. Optional. If you already have a phone number that you want to keep, you can port it to Ooma. This process involves transferring your number from your current provider to Ooma. Keep in mind that there may be a porting fee and it can take a few days for the port to be completed. Step 5. Exploring Ooma's features. Once your Ooma number is activated, you can start exploring the range of features that Ooma offers. This includes voicemail. Easily manage your voicemail messages from your phone or online. Call forwarding. Forward calls to another number or device. Call waiting. Put callers on hold while you're on another call. Call recording. Record your calls for reference or legal purposes. Caller ID. See who's calling before you answer. Additional tips and tricks. Check your internet connection. A strong and reliable internet connection is essential for optimal Ooma performance. Consider using a dedicated router. If you're experiencing issues with your internet connection, consider using a dedicated router for your Ooma equipment. Take advantage of Ooma's apps. The Ooma app allows you to manage your account, make calls, and access voicemail from your smartphone. Explore Ooma's accessories. Ooma offers a range of accessories, including cordless phones, headsets, and conference phones. Making the switch to Ooma can be a simple and cost-effective way to improve your phone service. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily get an Ooma phone number and start enjoying the benefits of this innovative service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.